Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
We've got some eggs, some nice turkey breast, some shredded cheese. That's a Mexican blend. Some bacon. Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? Today it's a scramble. Haven't done a scramble in a while. This one's got nice deli turkey breast, bacon, some cheese, and 3 cage-free eggs. I'm going to whip this baby up in a second. It's going to be delicious. Great way to get a protein bomb, low-carb way to start your day. Check it out. First thing we're going to do is get these eggs in. 3 of them. There's the second one. All right, there's the third one. Now, as I famously said in my very popular omelet video, we're going to beat these babies. I'll meet you at the stove. All right, we're going to start it off with a little butter. All right, mix that baby around. There you go. Now let's add those eggs. I got the pan on a little less than medium. I'm going to put a little pepper. We're going to throw that turkey in. I took the turkey and I gave it a good chop. Chopped it up. Now I have that bacon. I busted the bacon a bit. Then you start mixing this baby as a scramble. Mix it around. This cooks fast. So you want to watch it before it gets too finished to get that cheese on. I believe this is the time to put the cheese on. Perfect. Mix it. I told you this was fast, simple, and easy. Great way to start the day with protein. Have a spinach salad later to balance it out. See how fast that's working? All right. This will be ready in about 30 seconds. We'll serve this baby up. There's the finished product. Oh, that looks great. Can't wait for a bite. All right. There's your scramble. Let's see how it tastes. Right off that turkey hits me. Mixing with the bacon. Very savory. Cheese is creamy. Those eggs bring it all together. Great way to start your day, like I said. Load of protein that your body needs throughout the day. Very healthy for you. For more videos like that, it's the Sweet Babu. Check out Live Life 365 at YouTube and my website. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
What's the best one? That's a good one. Chicken or turkey. What did I call it? Busted the bacon bit. Still getting used to my new kitchen in here. I don't have to go. This is it. I can't think of anything funny. Except this is really good. Baba. What do you think of this?